inside like the 4th of July. Something in the mirror, singing in the shower. Singing in the shower. Singing in the shower.
My tripod's done. I'm so happy. I actually plan to celebrate every little win. So,
You light me up.
that's going to be too light for me.
You light me up inside like the 4th of July. Everything different.
What else is there? That?
Dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower.
Oh, I got that list. Actually, I mean makeup artist. So, makeup stuff.
Dancing in the shower.
Actually, I want to do a makeup transition. What else did I get? Okay, this is actually for my eye makeup. These three, like TEMU is a go, girls. Like TEMU, my earring has fallen. Singing in the shower. This is actually the best thing I got from this order. I'm so happy.
Singing in the shower.
So guys, like I said, I will still order from TEMU, like always. But I'm actually planning to order from Shein though. I just want to see how their stocks are. But I heard like they are of really good quality. So definitely next time I might try ordering from Shein. Bye guys, see you in my next unboxing video.